Hi everyone, it's Danielle here from YLSunshineDiamonds, and today I wanted to tell you about the promotion I have for this month. Great promotion. I usually have a promotion most months, but this month I wanted to do something a little bit different. But before I get started, I wanted to encourage you, if you could like my page, YL Sunshine Diamonds, either on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. I also have a website. This month, if you do a 100 PV order, 100 PV is usually about a $200 order approximately, you will go in the draw for a choice of oil valued up to $40 wholesale. So I went through all the oils we have and had a look at all of them, and we actually have over 60 oils that are valued at $40 wholesale or less. So there's a huge choice. So if you're only just getting started, this is a way to get one more oil in your little reservoir, your little kit of oils, and get started. But I'm going to be giving away one for a person who is already in my team and one for someone who is new coming into my team. So you can be enrolled by someone else in my team, or you can be enrolled personally by myself, but you'll be in the draw. So all my people in my team, this is your chance to encourage people to get started. New year, new start. Let's get started with health. And yeah, it's just a 100 PV order, puts you automatically in the draw. Hope you have a fabulous new year, and thanks for listening to the video. Have a great one. Bye.